baby.
And I've already apologized about, and like through message and in person I apologized too. I was there and I wasn't the one recording the thingy, but then when I saw que she struck him, I was like, oh, like esto no está normal. And then
hi, I realized I filmed a good amount of my morning without introducing the vlog, so hi, welcome or welcome back. My name is Doralee and I would tell you what this channel is gonna be, but I don't really know yet, so TBD. Today we're just gonna, I was gonna go get Starbucks, but it's cold outside and I'm not doing that, so this is our official like moving week, I guess. We're moving, it's Monday, March 27th, and we're moving on Saturday, April 1st, moving out. So we're moving in like 5 days, 6 days. So I'm just planning on making vlogs of us like packing. Come along with me to shit I got to do during the week. So, okay. Sorry if you moved. I had to readjust because I was paranoid that somebody was gonna walk in. Where were we? You can tell I'm nervous, huh? So today, I have a lot of laundry to do so that I'm not taking a bunch of dirty clothes with me. We are packing up some books and getting a new battery because my car battery is dead, beyond dead, so we're gonna have to change that out today. That's gonna be my day, so I'll just bring you guys along. If I'm not talking a lot in this video, it's because I'm still getting used to doing this again. Yes, again. If you go back, you'll probably see really old videos from like 4 years ago, and they're very cringy, so if you want to go watch them and laugh, you can do that. Okay, I guess let's get into it. I don't know how people transition to, yeah, let's go. Was this out of focus the whole time? Okay, so on our way to Whataburger now because I need to stop looking at the viewfinder. We're on our way to Whataburger now, so I guess I'm gonna bring you guys to Whataburger. I'm gonna try to figure out how the hell I'm going to put you somewhere because I don't have anything for the car to stand you on. That's a horrible angle. Well, gotta do what you gotta do. You guys are literally just seeing the top of my forehead and a steering wheel. And my crusty ass need to be done nails. Oh shit, we're going over a bump. Oh god. And my battery is dying. Okay, we're back. Oh god. I'm so sorry. I feel like y'all are literally gonna skip all of this. Who wants to see my fucking forehead? Oh! Shit, you turned on the windshield wipers. There's no way I'm putting this in. I will see you guys at Whataburger. Okay, what about here? This is so bad. Can I get a number 2 with no veggies and cheese?
Just the mustard and cheese?
Yes.
And then what can I do?
It's gonna be a large Coke.
The whole meal large or just the drink?
The whole meal.
Okay.
And then a number 1 with mayo instead of mustard and no onions.
What cheese or without?
No cheese.
And the drink?
The drink is gonna be Sprite.
Okay.
And then can I get number 7, the meal? Just plain and dry.
What cheese or without?
Yeah, with cheese.
And the drink?
The drink, another Sprite.
Okay.
And then, let me see. That's gonna be it, actually.
You need ketchup?
Yes, regular ketchup.
Can I get a name?
Jay?
It's gonna be 2887. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Hi. I really hope that this person does not see the camera. It's like, oh, are you doing a video? Oh gosh, is it this guy? There's one guy. Oh, it's that guy. No. I'm putting y'all away. I really don't want him to ask me about the camera. I'll tell y'all about him in a second. Okay, so about that guy. There's this guy that works at the Whataburger by us that is very talkative, very sociable, like super great customer service, like top 10, should work at Chick-fil-A, but I am not, I cannot make small talk. Like I just can't. Unless I already like know you at least a little, like I can't. Like, and he'll be all like, oh, how's your day going, and this and that, and like trying to have a conversation. And it's also because I'm so used to people not making a conversation. It's very transactional when you go get something most of the time, and so I'm just like not prepared. So I didn't want him to see the camera and be like, oh my god, are you filming something? And then I have to talk about it, and just oh my, I'm having social anxiety issues. Like yesterday we went to go eat, we went to Pluckers. So I got a plain hot dog. It's just like a bacon wrapped hot dog, and I didn't like it. I think it was Wagyu beef, and I've never had a Wagyu beef anything, and I was like, oh well, it's beef. Like I didn't think it was gonna taste much different, but something about how they cooked it, maybe, like I just didn't like it, and so I didn't eat it. So I just ate like my sweet potato fries, and like I ate, you know, around from my daughter's plate, her fries. Like I just ate, I picked at the tables stuff. And then the waitress comes and sees that we didn't put my hot dog in the to-go box, and she's like, oh, did you not like your hot dog? And I'm like, and normally I'd have some sort of something to say to avoid that conversation as a whole, but I didn't. I blanked out and I said no, and then I was so just caught off guard by myself. saying no. And she was like, oh, do you, like, real quick, do you want me to take it off tab? I can take it off tab. And I was like, no, that's okay. Because I'm just trying to finish this conversation. Like, honey, you gotta go, because my social anxiety right now is way the hell up here. And she's like, are you sure? Like, I can take it off? Oh no, this bus is gonna run me over. I just ran a red light. Shit. Well, that's why you shouldn't fucking stay in the middle of the fucking road. Wait your turn. Okay. Oh, so she insists, and I'm just like, no, that's okay. Like, are you sure? Like, the high-pitched voice I have right now is very accurate. I'm so sorry for this glare. And then, you know, it takes a while for us to get the ticket back, and in my head, I'm just like, oh my God, like, why'd you do that? Why'd you say that? Like, should just said yes. It would have been easier if you just said yes, but I just didn't want to be that person. And I just, like, I don't know. And it took a while for her to come with our ticket, and I was thinking, like, what if she went to go get a manager to, like, override it so she could take the hot dog off. And sure enough, she took the hot dog off. Actually, I think she took the whole combo off, like the whole, it's not a combo, it's a restaurant, but like the whole hot dogs, fries off. And so I just tipped her good. But I just felt like after that, and then today, like with that guy, I can't handle that guy today. So that's why y'all had to go away. Oh my God, what an idiot. Oh, that's the second person today. Like, drive on your side of the road.
Hello?
Can you come help?
Can you give me 1 second?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Back for the airport, just as in the computer center, correct? That is correct. They obviously knew the turn and exactly what heading to fly. They did not run a check.
Do you think I shouldn't use this ketchup because it has like a slit in it?
Yeah, don't use it.
Okay.
The reaction decision time was...
So I gotta clean my kitchen. Sorry if you can hear the washer and dryer, they're literally right behind me. But just look at this mess. Oh, that we didn't pack. I knew we had three. They're on the way because there's what it is. I have to throw away another fucking Tupperware. This one.